Mixonites, I am Nathen Mixon, your fitness coach, and today we are doing a different type of video. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on your push notifications, and also smash that like button if you like or want more videos like this. And just do it just because it helps the algorithm out too as well. That being said, today we are going to eat the original Brique. Yes, I have it. I finally have it. The Rock's brioche French toast. You hear him boasting about it all the time on his Instagram, and I have it right here in front of my face. I'm not gonna lie, I was way too lazy to make this as my cheat meal, but I don't know how, but Rocky heard this call and she decided to release it out to the public for our consumption. And if you don't know who Rocky is, that is one of these chefs that cooks Dwayne Johnson's meals or preps his meals for that matter. Quick backstory, I am a huge fan of The Rock, and this is not a sponsored video by any means. I'm just a fan of his gear and also his shoes. And by the fact, if you want to check out the last video I did on his latest shoe, I'll leave that down for you in the description down below. I definitely want to emphasize that this is a cheat meal, okay? So depending on your goals, you can have this once per week to, supplement a meal. In my case, once per month. In doing so, it keeps me from literally biting people's heads off like venom. That being said, a cheat meal is definitely earned. So if you are having a strict diet and you maintaining your goals, hitting the gym consistently, go ahead and take that break. But after that break, you got to get right back down to business. Speaking of business, let's get down to business because this thing right here smells delicious. Now it comes with a printout listing both directions and also the contents. It includes a 4-inch brioche French toast, peanut butter, coconut maple syrup, vanilla bean whipped cream, and toasted coconut chips. And you're going to add all of those contents together in that exact same order. For this to taste its best, you want to consume it within 3 days, but just by smelling it, I can tell already it's going to be consumed in less than 3 minutes. You do have to pick this up for delivery, so when you get home, place it in the microwave for about 35 seconds and it will be warm but not too hot. Now let's bust this bad boy open like so. Whoa, this mug is huge. Let me turn this around so you can see how big it is. 4 inches, everybody, 4 inches. Let me give you a reference, okay? This is my head. I don't have a 4-inch head. Well, my head, anyway, this is a big ass piece of French toast, brioche French toast. I'm gonna place it right there. It smells. Oh boy, I tell you what. All right, so now we're gonna bust out the contents. So this is that syrup I was telling you about. It got the numbers there for you. We got number 2. It's going to be that vanilla bean whipped cream, and then lastly we have the added toast and coconut chips as number 3. Now to get things started, we're gonna start adding the ingredients to the French toast. I already got my fork, I got my plate, I got my brioche French toast here and all the ingredients. Let's get started, starting off with number 1. And we're going to put on this peanut butter. Let me just get a taste here. That's pretty good. This is not Skippy, all right? So you're not going to find this in Costco's, I'm telling you right now. Well, that's pretty good. I love peanut butter too. If you don't like peanut butter or you're allergic, man, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know. I don't have any kind of I don't have. You gotta talk to them. So I'm drizzling this on there. It's just nice and liquidy. And look at that. Oh my goodness. Yes. Just put it all in there like that. Let me turn it around so you can see that lava going on in there. So that's number 1. All right. Put it on there, I'm gonna just spread it around just like that. I don't know how to do it, but I'm just gonna make sure I get every crevice and corner. Boom. All right, now we're gonna go with number 2. This is going to be that vanilla bean whip. I'm just gonna pour it on like that. This is a cheat meal. Yeah. I'm just gonna paint this thing over, just like that. Let me try it. It's really rich texture. I don't know how to describe food, everybody, so if I'm missing the mark, I just eat, all right? All right, so now we have the toasted coconut chips, number 3. I'm just gonna put it all in there like that. Yeah, that's good enough right there. So there you have it, the masterpiece that he always boasts about, right here, right in the making. It smells delicious. I have no napkins, so that means it's gonna be finger licking good. All right, so we have no choice but to just dive in, and I don't normally use a knife, but I guess it look like a human. I guess I can do that. All right, so let's try it out. Very soft. This is a big piece. I would normally put the whole thing in my mouth, but I don't want y'all to think it's like he eats like crazy. Anyway, let's try it. All right, here we go. The moment of truth. Have you ever had French toast? No, you haven't. This right here tells me I don't know what I'm doing when I made French toast. This is delicious. Let me grab another bite. I'm getting chills. I gotta work out after this too. I'm telling you right now, a French toast god just dropped a crumb on my plate, and they knew that this would satisfy me. I can taste myself getting out of shape right now. Every bite, I lose a muscle. You know what? I'd be in trouble if they delivered. You know, I can only do this probably once a month. This is just way too good. You have to experience this if you are in the LA County. I'm getting outside. I know what I'm saying right now. This is what rich people eat. Mixonites. This is how rich people eat, and it's affordable. All right, I go to the website. You know, you got to pre-order Wednesday, I think, through Sunday, or Wednesday through Saturday, one of the two. Check the website out. I'm going to leave it all in the description below. I need to make more money because I need to eat like this all the time. If you are in LA County, by all means, go ahead and try this. It is definitely delicious. I'm usually I just want to eat it right now. I don't even want to talk about this video right now. I just want to continue eating. But if you are in LA County, it is worth the drive, okay? It is definitely worth it. They don't deliver, and that's probably a good thing because I need to burn calories getting there, all right? You can go to the website. You can pre-order it. You may feel like you're not in the right spot. It is someone's neighborhood, so just be mindful of that. But yeah, wear masks, social distancing, all that good stuff. And yeah, this is the hype. The hype is real, y'all. The hype is real. If you like videos like this, you want me to do more reviews on foods. Not sure how many of these I can do, but yeah. Make sure you comment down below. Subscribe to my channel. If you have tried this, let me know. If you have attempted to make it, if you have a better recipe, let me know, and I may even try to duplicate it myself because I'm missing out. The egg day is gonna hurt today, but it's gonna be so worth it. Guys, work for those meals. I'll catch you on the next one. Stay out there grinding, and I'll flex with you on the next one. Thank you, Rock, for letting her share this recipe with all of us. Giving fire to the people, as always. Catch you later. Peace. What's up, everyone? So, I'm eating here the original Brique. This is what the Rock be eating all the time. Working the second one right here. I'm trying to take my time. It's like super duper delicious. Look at that. Just gooey. This coconut, peanut butter, maple syrup. it hits the spot. Like it just literally attacks every part of my mouth. You ever go to war with a spoon? The spoon is fighting to keep it onto the spoon, and I'm fighting to put it in my mouth. No homo.